hope you guys are just as excited as I am because I have so many new products. I have so many new things. I have things from YSL, ColourPop, LA Girl, Too Faced. I have things from Lawless. I have new lashes. I have things from Lancome. Like, there's just way too many to even go through. So whatever I see here on my new makeup section here, it's gonna be used. I'm doing a whole separate video on my face. This video will already be up before this one, so it'll be linked down below. I'm gonna be reviewing the YSL All Hours Precise Angles Concealer. I already used the All Hours foundation and I love it. It's very full coverage. I'm gonna use it today for the sake of just to see how it pairs with the concealer. If you guys wanna see how it works out, down below. We're first starting off with this L'Oreal Bright Reveal Serum. This is supposed to be going under your makeup and then you do a sunscreen right after. Very, very good. I would love to add that into my morning and night routine, although I don't really know what it does. I think it's just supposed to be like skincare, so we'll figure it out. It smells very good. I'm not a huge fan of something that's scented, especially on my sensitive skin. We are now going to follow up with the L'Oreal Bright Reveal Sunscreen. This has SPF 50 and we love that. Since I already know how my foundation is supposed to sit and I'm actually just reviewing the concealer that I showed you guys earlier, I'm not too worried about having things under it. I like that it's moisturizing. I can say it's moisturizing and it's giving me like a dewy glow. I've been making my at-home coffee, guys. Look at this cute cup that someone made me. It was this brand that made it for me and I don't remember. Ooh, I have this base that I just got in. This is the Lancome LA base. I wanted to try this out and I just don't want to mix it because we already have two things under our skin before the foundation. Look how pretty the bottle is. I'm a huge fan of lots of Lancome items. So we're gonna save this for later because I really want to give it like a true test. I'm gonna be going into the eyes. This is the new Makeup Forever HD Concealer. This is gonna be a little bit of a darker shade than I usually use, but it's a new product. I want to use it. This is in the shade 2.4Y. It's gonna be a yellow color. It's I usually will use a light concealer for the base. Pro Conceal, this is my favorite stuff. You guys already know. I'm gonna be using a few LA Girl products in this video. So as always, Aidette 10 if you guys want to get some money off the girlies who know. We know we love LA Girl here, but I'm gonna try this just to see. The sunscreen is no longer oily. So, I mean, it's whatever. I just wish it didn't have much oil at all. This is my all-time favorite sponge. This is the LA Girl Pro Sponge. I love her. I have lots of backups. She lasts me a long time. She's very soft and blends everything amazing. I'm not sure if it was just me, but do we see that it's not like, I feel like I want it to be a full coverage. So if you guys like a medium coverage, then this concealer would be good for you. I'm not going to be using a new powder today. I'm going to be using my trusty LA Girl Banana Yellow Powder. This stuff is my ride or die. I always set before I go in with eyeshadow. I have these two eyeshadow palettes from YSL. These are so cute. They're so glam. Look at the packaging. This looks exactly like a YSL purse. Like, are you kidding? Fully gold. I just love how luxurious it looks. When you open it up, you see the large mirror. So this is going to be great for on the go. And then you have these beautiful colors here. This one is more of a darker palette. It also comes with a tiny little brush. I really like this palette also. I gave my mom and my sister some other ones of the palettes that fit the colors that they like. I like these. These are more neutral and I can use them every day. So I have those, but I also have the ColourPop Sailor Moon collection. Okay, we don't have a mirror, but these colors make up for it. I think these are very pretty. There is a lot of different color combos. I really like this periwinkle color. I've actually already dipped into this color here, like I think for like an inner corner or something the other day. We're gonna go in with this YSL palette. We're gonna go in with this camel color. This palette is in the color 300 and we're gonna go straight into the crease. Pigmented, which I like. There is a little bit of fallout, that's the only thing, but honestly for me that doesn't really bother me. But it's kind of like more on the subtle side, so I kind of want to just apply this with my finger onto my lid. And it's actually really pigmented because I'm putting this over top another shadow. So I do still want to try the shimmer that is from the YSL palette. This is the shade 200, so I'm going to go in with my finger and go in with this shimmery color because it just looks really pretty. Okay, so on my finger it looks like there's glitter flakes and I'm hoping that it's not going to apply funny on the eye. It's definitely more like a flaky, but this is definitely something that you have to like build up. If you like something a lot softer, then this is for you, but for me I like something a little bit more dramatic. Just to test it out, I'm going to take my Urban Decay All Nighter, put this in the back of my hand. I'm going to see how well it does over top. So it is a lot more shiny and pigmented. So if you do want pigment from this, definitely you're gonna have to add some spray, because look at that, a huge difference. You can't really see it on my eyes. Very pretty packaging. You just do have to add a spray onto the shimmers, but other than that, they're very like buttery. Also, I'm using these wipes today. I love them. They're like so cute. They smell like strawberries. These are the Cream Shop Hello Kitty towelettes, and I've just been using it to like wipe everything off my face. But I do love these like droplets by L'Oreal. They are giving me like a nice little dew, like a healthy glow. I'm excited for this. I'm so excited for this. I love eyeliner. This is the LA Girl The Artist Brush Pen Eyeliner. They sent me chocolate brown, and they also sent me inky black. I love brown eyeliner, so the fact that they sent me this is what it looks like. It just looks like a cute pink marker, and I love it. It's so cute. It doesn't smell like anything. I just like to smell things. We're gonna start off with the wing. Okay, LA Girl. You know, before I actually used to not start off with the wing. I used to always like start off in the middle and then create the wing at the end. Very precise. So you guys can see I'm making a thin line. My usual, yep. I know you guys saw that. Look at this. Don't even look twice. LA Girl. Okay, let's do another one. My eyeliner literally took me 5 seconds. If you guys aren't running and skipping to get the LA Girl The Artist eyeliner, I don't know what you're doing. This already only goes for a few dollars, but if you want to save more, you guys can use the code Aidette10. I love this. I'm sold. Absolutely, this is going into my everyday makeup bag. We're using some new lashes today. These are by Candy Girl Lashes. This is a small business, so if you guys want to go check them out, here is their ad, and you guys can also use my code Aidette to save some money. And these are in the style Prada. I usually use these very dramatic ones by them. These are called Heartless. I've used this before and like a TikTok, and people loved them. And also these are Toxic. These are like the smaller version of Heartless. We have 2 new mascaras that we can try. We could either try the Monsieur Big Lancome, and then I also have this one that I have never used. This is the Lancome Hypnose Drama, so I think we're gonna use this one. And there also is this Lancome Art Liner, just to give you guys a little idea of what this looks like. Ooh, look at the little tip. It's like, oh, we're gonna have to use that in another video. Using the Hypnose Drama. Okay, it's kind of shaped like in a slight S, and it looks like it's gonna work pretty good. So let's see. I don't normally curl my lashes just because I don't have like a curler that I love. A lot of mascaras always feel very like chunky and heavy, but this one feels light. I'm adding this a little bit above my actual lash line, so it can give more of a lifted cat eye effect rather than it drooping. Okay, I'm gonna need about 20 more pairs of these Prada lashes, because these might be my new everyday. I'm gonna go back in with my YSL. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go do my foundation and my concealer, and we will continue the rest of the face. We're back to business. We have the face done. I know the foundation looks darker than my neck, but don't worry, we're gonna even it out with powder, so don't even fret. One thing I do want to try though, this could be a stupid idea, but I want to try this new Lancome 24-Hour Drama. This is in the shade French Chocolate Matte. I really like how this packaging looks like. It's like very classy and sexy to me. I'm going to put it where I would normally put it. So I'm only going to do 2 lines like this. Oh my goodness, I think this is too dark. I might have messed up. This was definitely a bold move, but I just wanted to see how blendable it is. So there you guys go. It is definitely blendable. I don't have a new bronzer to try out, unfortunately. My trusty LA Girl Pro Pressed Powder. This is in the shade Warm Caramel. I always like to get into the temples here. This is nothing new. You guys already know that this is like my ride or die. We're gonna let this sit for a little bit, and in the meanwhile, I'm gonna go do my brows. I don't have a new brow product, guys, so I'm just gonna use my normal trusty LA Girl Shady Slim Brow Pencil in the shade Brunette, and it'll be right back. Brows are on and bake is on. I'm doing a very heavy bake because, like I said, I do want my foundation to be lighter and match my neck. We're now going in with this Lancome Blush Settle. This is in the shade Blush for You, and it also does come with a tiny little brush, which I have always loved these since I was a little girl. I always thought it was so cool seeing these in my mom's makeup, but to have this in a compact, also with like a good sized mirror too, is really good to have like on the go. I personally really like it. I'm going to be placing this right on the apples. Now we're going to go back in with our Lancome eyeliner. This is also a brown. This is the ColourPop X Sailor Moon Moonlight highlighter, and I'm going to put it just on the tip of my nose. This shade right here, which I actually put in on the brow bone. I'm going to put a little bit more though. Now that I'm seeing this, this is my old Sailor Moon collection that I have from ColourPop. This is the OG one and it's holographic. I think it's super cool. I use this blush like almost every single day paired with another blush before and after. I actually really like this packaging, but I do like the colors on this one more. It's more colorful and fun, but this one's like a cooler concept. This is a new product that I'm trying out from LA Girl. I've tried another color. This girl does not want to focus. So this is the LA Girl Stay and Play Longwear Matte Lip Crayon in the shade Seriously. This is what it looks like. It literally looks like a crayon. And I'm gonna try this color. I'm excited to try this one because it's a little bit more of like a nudie brown. Okay, we've lip lined and this is very pretty. It has like a satin matte effect to it. I have this ColourPop Luxe lip gloss. This is in the shade Skinny Dip. Okay, yeah, this is pretty. The feeling of it is too light. One drink is gonna be gone. Usually, like, I'll not love one product at least, and I feel like that for me today was the L'Oreal sunscreen because it was oily. But you can see that my foundation looks amazing still. But if you guys do want to see the full in-depth foundation and concealer review from YSL, again, it's down below. It's already up. I think we went off, y'all. And that is it for today's video. I'm impressed. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Let me know in the comments which product was your favorite, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.